What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when you're not receiving the WhatsApp verification code on your iPhone or Android device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Users not receiving the WhatsApp verification code often use an unsupported device, unsupported phone number, or issues with your connection to the WhatsApp servers. Lastly, your number may already be connected to an account you are using, or you're logged in to WhatsApp with other devices. First, let's make sure no other devices are logged in with your account. Open up WhatsApp and navigate to your settings. Under Linked Devices, select your linked device and tap Logout. This will require you to log back in if you want to use the device in the future, but leave it logged out for now. Next, close any apps running on your device. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open up your app switcher, and swipe up again on each app to close it. When this is done, ensure you're using a reliable network connection. You can use a speed testing site or application such as Speedtest, or even a web page on your preferred browser. You can also switch your connection from Wi-Fi to cellular and vice versa. If the verification code problem persists, then make sure you're not using a jailbroken iOS or Android device. To ensure WhatsApp is compatible with your mobile device, open up the Google Play or App Store. Here, look up WhatsApp and update the application if there is any update available to you. On the WhatsApp page, scroll down, and in the Compatibility section, you will see more information if the app works on your device. You should also ensure you're using a supported phone number when requesting a code. You can preview your phone number from your physical SIM card or from your digital SIM, such as an eSIM, in the mobile data section of your device settings. Unsupported phone numbers include voice over IP, landlines, toll-free numbers, and universal access numbers. Lastly, make sure that you can receive international SMS messages on your device. This option should not be blocked in your device's content and privacy restrictions. Change your content restrictions in the Screen Time Settings section on your iPhone. After entering your phone number, wait a minute to receive the SMS number and proceed to enter the 6-digit verification code. This code will change each time you request it, and it will be valid for some time. Don't guess the verification code, as you will be locked out of requesting a new code for some additional time. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.